everyone. Welcome back to Talk Zone English, the place where you don't just learn English, you actually start speaking it confidently every day.
That's right. I'm Mia, and I'm super excited because today's topic is something we all do, every single day.
Exactly. We're talking about daily routines. How to describe your day in natural, real-life English.
So if you've ever wondered how to say things like, I wake up, I get ready, or I head to work in a fluent, connected way, you're in the right place.
And don't worry. We'll not only teach you the right phrases, but also help you fix the common mistakes learners make all the time.
Before we jump in, if you enjoy learning English with real conversations, make sure to subscribe, hit the bell icon, and share this episode with a friend who's learning too.
All right, Mia. Ready to start the day?
Let's do it. Grab your coffee and let's talk about your daily routine in English.
All right, Mia. Let's start from the morning. What's your usual morning routine?
Well, I usually wake up around 7, and instead of saying, I scroll on my phone, which, let's be honest, I used to do, now I stretch a little, open the curtains, and drink some water.
Nice! That's much healthier. And good English, too. Notice that Mia said, I wake up around 7, not in 7 or on 7.
Yes, that's a super common mistake. You say,
Right. Then what?
after that, I take a shower, get dressed, and make breakfast. Sometimes I just have coffee and toast, but on weekends I cook something bigger.
Here's a quick tip. Instead of saying, I eat breakfast, it's more natural to say, I have breakfast.
Exactly. Native speakers usually say, I have breakfast, I have coffee, or I grab something quick.
Let's model a full natural sentence for our listeners. I usually wake up around 7, take a shower, and grab a quick breakfast before work.
Perfect. Short, natural, and connected.
Okay, after breakfast, it's time to work. Or school.
Yeah, my office is about 20 minutes away, so I commute by bus.
That's a good word. Everyone, say it with us, commute. It means to travel from home to work or school.
Right, so I commute to work every morning.
What do you do when you get there?
Well, I check my emails, plan my day, and sometimes attend meetings.
Let's teach one common mistake here. Many learners say,
Yes. I have a meeting at 10. I have lunch with my team. You use have, not do.
and to make your sentences sound more natural, add adverbs like usually, sometimes, or rarely.
For example, I usually start work at 9, but sometimes I have early meetings.
Beautiful. That's how you sound fluent and natural.
Now, the best part of the day, the evening.
Oh, yes. After work, I usually head home around 6.
Head home. That's a great phrase. It means to go home in a casual, natural way.
Exactly. So you can say, I head home around 6, instead of I go to home.
Good correction. Then, what do you do at home?
I cook dinner, listen to music, and watch a show. Sometimes I go for a walk to relax.
That's nice. I usually read a book or call my friends. Then I go to bed around 11.
Here's another quick fix. Many learners say,
Yes. Sleep is what you do, not when you start. So you go to bed at 11 and you sleep for 7 hours.
exactly. All right, let's do a short, natural conversation that uses all these phrases. Everyone listening, repeat after us.
Hey, Ethan, what's your normal day like?
I usually wake up around 7, take a shower, and have some coffee.
Nice. How do you get to work?
I commute by bus. It takes about half an hour.
What do you do after work?
I head home, cook dinner, and sometimes go for a walk before bed.
Sounds like a good routine.
Yeah, I try to keep it balanced.
That's the perfect example. Short, smooth, and natural.
Exactly. Try creating your own version using your real life. Okay, your turn.
Write 5 sentences about your daily routine, using at least 3 new phrases we taught today.
For example, I get up around 8, have breakfast, and commute to university.
Post your sentences in the comments. We'll read some in our next episode.
Let's do a quick review before we go.
Morning, wake up, get dressed, have breakfast. Work, commute, have meetings, grab lunch. Evening, head home, cook dinner, go to bed.
Remember, it's at 7, not on 7, and you go home, not go to home.
Exactly. These small fixes make your English sound much more natural.
Now it's your turn. Talk about your own daily routine using today's phrases.
And if this lesson helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends.
Quick question. What time do you usually wake up? Tell us in the comments.
Thanks for listening and keep practicing every single day.
See you next time on Talk Zone English. Bye, everyone.